A somber mood engulfed a joint memorial service for Lawyer Willie Kimani, his late client Josephat Mwenda, and taxi driver Joseph Muiruri, held at the Consolata Shrine this morning. The three, who it is suspected by administration police officers were praised as true defenders of justice at the service, attended not only by family and friends, but by the high-ranking diplomats who included U.S. Ambassador Robert Godek. The Law Society of Kenya, which has held a week-long protest over the killings, has, through its president, Isaac Okero, urged the government to ensure justice is done and the real culprits brought to book. The International Justice Mission, for which Kimani worked for, has promised Kimani's, Mwenda's and Muiruri's families that no resources will be spared to ensure justice prevails. The bereaved families, through their representative, James Boro, are optimistic that justice will indeed be done. The bodies of the three were found in the Ol Donyo Sabuk River on July 1st, following an extensive search led by the police and human rights organizations after the three went missing on June 23rd after attending a court case involving an AP officer at the Mavoko Law Courts.
We can't remain silent. This is a problem that is too big to be quiet about. And listening to people saying that it's an isolated incident isn't the solution either. We've got to acknowledge that there is a problem, and that problem must be addressed. The next step then is how will it be addressed? But we reiterate our call. Those in charge must take responsibility. There must be acceptance that there is a problem, and then we can begin the conversation as to how to resolve it.
For IJM, this is just really the beginning. Obviously, right now we are mourning and we are very sore for the loss of our friends. Once the burials are past and once we've had some time to rest, we will be continuing to push the case, but also using the case as a turning point. We want this to be a real line in the sand for police abuse of power, and for us this is the beginning of a long piece of work to make sure that police are no longer able to abuse their power. So we'll be looking to partner with all Kenyans of goodwill to ensure that the police do what we expect them to do, which is to serve the Kenyan public.